Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a Higgsfield AI review, where I'll explain what it is, what it does well, what it struggles with, and who it's actually for, in simple terms. Higgsfield AI is a generative AI platform focused mainly on creating AI images and short cinematic style videos. Instead of just generating static images, it lets you add motion, camera effects, and visual styles that feel more like short clips or reels. The idea is to help creators make eye-catching content quickly without needing advanced editing skills. One of the biggest strengths of Higgsfield AI is how creative and beginner-friendly it feels. You type a prompt, choose a style or motion preset, and the platform handles most of the heavy lifting. This makes it appealing for social media creators, marketers, and anyone who wants fast visuals for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or ads. Another positive is the cinematic tools and effects. Higgsfield offers camera movements, zooms, pans, and transitions that go beyond basic image generation. This gives content a more dynamic look compared to standard AI image tools that only output still images. That said, Higgsfield AI is not perfect. One common downside users mention is inconsistent performance and speed. Some generations take longer than expected, especially on higher usage or unlimited style plans. Results can also vary in quality depending on the prompt and settings used. There are also concerns around pricing and expectations. Some users feel that what's advertised doesn't always fully match what they experience after subscribing, especially when it comes to usage limits, credits, or processing speed. Because of this, it's generally safer to test the platform before committing long-term. Another limitation is that Higgsfield AI is best suited for short-form content, not complex or long videos. If you're looking for deep control, frame-by-frame editing, or professional film-level production, traditional video editing software will still be necessary. So, who is Higgsfield AI best for? It's a good fit for content creators, influencers, marketers, and small teams who want fast, visually appealing AI-generated clips without spending hours editing. It's less ideal for advanced filmmakers or users who need full creative control over long-form videos. Overall, Higgsfield AI is a powerful and creative tool with some clear strengths in cinematic visuals and ease of use. But it also comes with trade-offs in consistency, speed, and pricing clarity. Trying it first before fully committing is the smart move. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next tool or platform you want me to review next.